do a proper room tour when we get settled, but first impressions, pretty nice. Very clean and new. And I'm not losing my shit anymore. Up we go, and Paul. Jane! Ding dong!
She's alive already.
Was it worth the 2-hour hassle of thinking you weren't going on a cruise?
Yes.
I don't know. I'm hoping so. So this is room 640 on deck 6, so 6640, located midships on deck 6. Same deck as the boardwalk. It's a great location, center of the ship. Very little movement here. And this is a junior suite. When you come in, right away you have put a key card in to keep the power going, of course. Master switch to turn off all the lights. And then you have the bathroom right here as you come in. Then you have this full-length mirror. Let's go right into the bathroom. Now we've been in here for the whole week. This is our last day, so we have lived in it, and it's a very livable space. You don't get a walk-in shower, you get a shower door. It opens up. If you need more space, or if you need to use the tub, we found it worked quite well. It could have been maybe a little bit more out this way to, stop the water from spraying a bit, but otherwise fine. You do have the just the tub with the spout, and then you have the wand with the different types of spray that comes out of the shower wand. Came with lots of towels and bath vanities. They're using this brand. And it was replenished quite often. Garbage can, etc. Towels were all here. Toilet, of course. Garbage can under the sink. And then a nice marble finish here on the tabletop, or the countertop. And then there's some more body soap, shampoo, and conditioner that they replenished quite often. Everybody, it's me. And then 1, 2, 3 shelves on both sides. Some nice hooks. The usual power outlet up there for a razor. And a little vanity pack they gave us, which we never even opened. Nice room, nice bathroom, good size. They got some hooks. We kept our robes. These are nice Royal Caribbean robes. We have 2 of them in the room. And there's always a little light on here at night too. I'll just show you. That light was always on. So that's good because it's not too bright and it doesn't interfere with your sleep, but it gives you an idea where the door is in case you're waking up in the middle of the night. This button, we wasn't sure what happened at first, but anyway, this is a walk-in closet. Very large. I mean, hangers galore. All these hangers we had all week long. Plus, I don't know if you can see, there was more up there, more up there, more on the shelves. We had so many hangers. And then we had tons of cubby space through here and both sides. Tons of floor space. You could store your suitcases in here if you want to. Extra hang down racks here, both sides. 1, 2, 3 of those, and lots of floor space there. What a great feature that was. That was like really great. And if you're sharing the room, it would make a nice little change room too. And then off here we had a big, almost like a pantry size cupboard. And inside there, we had more shelves, the safe, and more shelves. And then again, more hanging room right here. Turn this light on. there's a bar there, and then more hanging for maybe long dresses or suits. Down here, there's more drawers, 2 drawers there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 more drawers, all decent sized. And these nice fixtures and features. They don't move, of course, they're nailed down. And then the nice lamp that turns off here. We had a nice espresso machine. You can make an espresso or a coffee. These are refilled every day. 2 cups, little espresso cups, cream and sugar. Really nice feature. Jane liked that a lot. And I didn't have to run down to get coffee every morning. Another drawer under here where there's the hair dryer. And it's not plugged in under the drawer, so you can plug it wherever you want. And then, of course, down here, we got the mini fridge. Which opens. I always have trouble opening these. There we go. Little mini fridge. Over here, you have a nice vanity area with a nice mirror. This mirror has a light that goes around it. Ooh. And it comes on like that. It's great for doing your makeup or just looking at your face. And then these are my collections of cards I've talked to this week. And you got an ice bucket, 2 glasses, and underneath here we have 2 USB, 2 110 volts, and a European plug, and then another one here. And then the plug for, the switch for the light. Nice little chair, kind of looks like a drawer when you pull it out. And nice comfortable workspace too. Have to be working here. Garbage can on the floor. And looking back into the room. This is the bedroom area. Nice sized bed. Lots of pillows. We like lots of pillows. And then beside the bed, you had more lamps. And these you could move around. More lamps. More cubby space underneath. No outlets here, although I imagine if you move the bed, you'd probably find an outlet there. Typical curved bed for Royal Caribbean and Celebrity with these little curved beds, although you didn't need it because the space here is just incredible. Like it's 4 or 5 feet room just to walk around the bed. And then over here we have the phone, another light, and on this side you do have 1 regular plug, which I'm using, and then I'm not even sure what that's for. I think I touched it all week. Anyway. And then I've used it for my power bar and my extra USB outlets there. Over here you have a nice couch. It's quite long actually. I would say that's about 6 to 7 feet long at least. Same size as a bed because, put this table out the way. Oh, this has to move first. You don't want to spill that. And move this out. It's a very heavy table. Watch you don't hit yourself in the night with that one. There is a bed under here, I believe. There we go. Oh yeah. So that becomes a bed for the third. And then up here, I don't know if you noticed in the closet there was a ladder. A bed comes out of the ceiling there too. So you could fit 4 people in this room with no issues whatsoever. I'm just going to stand back and give you a view of that space. It would be nice if you did have a family though that you had maybe a curtain here, just a little divider, but amazing floor space here. Nice size TV, which is on a swivel. That and puts flag back on the wall. And then of course on the TV you can check your accounts and shore excursions, dining, things like that. Very nice. Get an extra chair in the room. And then again, I just can't get over the amount of floor space in this room. It's literally like a 12 by 12 floor space area right here alone. You also get an extra window. I think you've seen another video I did where it's nighttime right now, but behind here, there is another window, which looks out to the balcony. Pulls these shears across, which is a nice way to open them up in the morning because that way you don't get too much light coming in. These are good blackout drapes. Again, the shears on this side. Great big window, sliding door, and then the typical, how do you open this door thing? Lift it up, You push it and you pull. And open. That's how you open those up. And then of course it's dark out here tonight. I think I have a video of the balcony somewhere. I'll post that in right about here. There's 2 chairs that do fold back, 2 little footstools, and another one over here. So actually 3 of them. There's no light out here, which can be a good thing because then we don't have neighbors' lights on. It's bothering you all night. You don't want to sit out and listen to the ocean or look at the stars. No ambient lighting. And just close those up, and then you got that. So there you go. That's the room. Room 6640, Junior Suite on Symphony of the Seas. Highly recommend this room, especially if you get it for a good price. If this is your style, this is in your price range and your budget, it's an excellent room. It ticks all the boxes and serves all the needs. One last thing, I just figured out what that switch by the bed was for. This is the switch. If you hold it, there's little squares on it to go from small to big. You press it. It makes these lights brighter. You press it again. It makes those light dimmer. It's a dimmer switch. Didn't really show that well in the video, but that's a dimmer switch. The things you learn after being on a cruise ship for 7 days. Didn't find out till 7 o'clock at night on my last day. Oh well. Now I know, and now you know. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Once again, room 6640 on Symphony of the Seas. Till see you soon. Take care and be safe.